Hi guys, this is Tony. I have a little sand train coming by. Once he's done going by, I'm gonna head on straight to San Marcos because the next northbound does the best off of the brothels, and I'm gonna try to get some stuff off of the Lockhart as well. So here we go. Yep. And that sounds like we got jingle bells here. Ha ha ha, not only you guys. Nice. Thanks for fun. And 5 there and 8, 6. Wow. Yeah. Ha ha ha, no, me. I just got. This engineer decided to get rid of the jingle bells here at Dittmar. So, ha ha ha, formers. I can't believe it. What we just witnessed here. That engineer on that Union Pacific sand train there just gave me the jingle bells. So that was pretty epic. Well, stay tuned when I get down to San Marcos. Bye.